just got done doing a spring install for a lovely client of mine, and I have to show you this. It's super easy, super fun, stunning and gorgeous. So I am going to show you one of my favorite recipes for a baseless for a spring swag with no base. So come on in, let's get started. I've got this gorgeous ivy, like a filler plant that just kind of spills over, and it's beautiful and it's long and it's flowy and it's awesome. So this is what we're going to use to begin with to start off our creation, okay? So I just kind of fluffed it out so I can kind of see what's going on in here. Separate these short layers at the top from the long layers at the bottom, okay? And then I know you've probably seen these gorgeous fountain grass, and then you're like, what do I do with it? It's so long. Ha 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 ha. I'm glad you asked. What I'm gonna do is take these, the layers, because it comes in like 3 stems, and I'm going to pop this up like so, and then pop this side up like so. So when I lay it on the, lay it on its side, it's really flat right here, and then it's got 2 little arches that kind of come up and over like so, right? Okay, and that opens up some negative space here, 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 and here, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and lay this right on top of it so that these fountain grass sprays, the long ones, just kind of flow through that negative space. And then you've got some in the back to accentuate the length of these longer ones, right? And so now we've got depth and texture. I love these wisteria sprays. I love the different lengths in them. So just like that last piece of fountain grass, we're just gonna kind of take this real quick and separate the layers like so. Okay. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to also just kind of lay that right up and under here so that these layers just kind of dance through those spaces. Okay, there we go. Okay, very, very good. Very good. So, so lovely. All right. And then you could just flip this one over. Don't have to. I want this little short one to kind of be front and center. So I'm always looking and making sure that everything I buy is well wired. It's right here. Okay, so we've got a short, a medium, and a long that flows. I love this. I think it's stunning. So I'm going to take these 3 now, grab a zip tie. Okay. And zip tie these 3 together. I love the way they just weave in and around and through each other very, very well. And just for added security, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 more right above it, just to get those 3 stems really together like so. Okay. Very good. Now, as you can see, this is going to be our swag at this point, and this part's going to lay at the door. So there's no hook. So what do? I'm going to grab this stem, bend it all the way over, like so. Grab another zip tie, like so. And there you have it. You've made a hook to hang it on. Let's go ahead and trim all this excess and push them over to where they will not be poking. Okay. Lovely. Now let's make a gorgeous bow. All right, I like a long, dramatic tail. Walk it together. Make a loop from back to front. Okay. Good hard twist and turn that completely upside down. Okay. Another loop from back to front. Awesome. And I'm at the end of my, oh, there we go. I love it. Okay. I'm going to add one tiny little button of a loop right there in the middle. Actually, I might make 2 more loops. Let's see here. Let's see how that looks. Do I love it? I'm a fan of asymmetry. As you can see, there's a big gap here, but a small gap here, so that actually fits just fine. Oh yeah, that is just pretty. I can actually shorten these loops just a wee bit. Great, I love it. Grab a little zip tie, like so. Pop that right in the middle. Okay. Cut the excess there. We're going to go ahead and cover our guts. Our guts are the mechanics of our wreath, anything that could kind of show off, you know, how we put it together. I say that when my clients look at my wreaths and my swags and my designs, I want them to say, oh my goodness, is magic holding that together? And I want to say, yes. Yes, it is. I'm giving this a good little curl. Okay. Grab a nice zip tie. And pop that around like so. Go ahead and pull that tight. Okay. Fluff it out. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And now I'm going to take this lovely, lovely peony. I'm going to pop this right up here at the top. Look how pretty that is. And that really, really hides the guts. Okay, I'm going to take a baby zip tie. Well, I can't use a baby one. It's not long enough. Let's just use a regular one. That'll be just fine. Pop that little cutie right on in there. And as you can tell, to date we have used no glue. It's super secure. I don't want to pull that too tight just yet. I want to get the exact placement of this bow and this peony. And now that I've got it where I want it, go ahead and pull it tight. Lovely. Oh, that is just divine. Now, I do want to come to the top and clean this up a little bit. Where these extras are, don't really need that. Just kind of slide down here with my trimmers. Clean it up a bit. Looking good. There we go. Very, very good. All right, y'all. So I took these and hung them all around different doors and stairwells, over mirrors, on mantles. They are the perfect little something something for spring. Isn't that absolutely lovely? You could even take this whole thing and hang it on the side of a lantern. Just the possibilities are absolutely endless. Look how beautiful that turned out.